Here's an unboxing of a D41 hitch made in USA with a D41. Was it D42? Yeah, I have a D41 from Nissan. But I just unboxed it. It actually comes with more than I thought. It actually comes with the bolts, cover. It actually comes with a wire harness. Oh, I saw the plug on the frame that was open, so that goes into. That actually goes into that. Actually, I thought I saw it was round on the frame. That goes into that. Oh, I think there was two plugs on the frame. That's what I think I saw. And then I think this is the trailer harness connector or something. Comes another connector and two relays, and then some zip ties and some foam tape. And I don't know what this part is. This may be the hitch itself. So I have one of these on my D40. I'm assuming it's the same as the D41. I never actually installed one on a D40. So let's install it. Yeah, there's no instructions that come with this. This just says customer internet download instructions from Nissan-techinfo.com. Okay, let's go do that. I'm not sure where that wire goes. I don't know if that goes under the dash or under the hood, or it almost looks like the cable. Yeah, it's different than the one that came for a trailer brake controller. Okay. So how to install the factory hitch. Looks like it's easy as 3 bolts on each side. Easy peasy. And I make a hole big enough for that. If you look from the inside, you can see the circle and the square steel, and it's plastic's covering it. So what I'm doing is I'm sanding the plastic away. I drilled a couple of 1/2-inch holes. Now I'm just elongating it, making it bigger. That actually goes that way. Like it almost goes up. You feel the steel. Where's the metal? Oh, I still got a ways to go. Another like 3/8 of an inch. Alright, you can probably turn it off. Alright, so now, there we go. Now we got a square hole on top of a round hole. Is that where you're going to hit out? It only goes one way. Oh, that was satisfying. She's done. I don't know what this stuff's on. Where did this come from? Huh.